Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we are learn how to install Unreal Test to Unreal Bridge in your Unreal Engine project, and it's a important things to install the bridge because when we want to import some character model from Dash to Unreal, we need the bridge. So how can you um, install DazToUnreal engine bridge in your project? Let's begin. First of all, you have to download the bridge. I link in the description to download the file. After download the file, I download it here in my desktop. You can see this is DazToUnreal bridge. Just extract it. And when you extract the file, you can see all the version we have here. So choose the version of your Unreal Engine uh, project. My version is Unreal Engine 5.7, so I just open it, and here we can see a folder dash to Unreal. We just copy it, and now we have to go to our project file, not the Unreal Engine file. This is our project, so we have to go our project file here. So for this, I just go to my project location here. There is my project, and here we have to make a new folder. We have to make a new folder and name it plugins. Okay, after making the folder, we open it and paste the full folder of Dash to Unreal. After doing this, open Dash to Unreal. Here was an option called resources. We open this, and also we copy the file of Dash to Unreal bridge.dll. We just copy it because we install the bridge in our Unreal Engine, but we also have to install it to our Dash Studio. So for this, we have to go our Dash Studio plugin folders. So how can we do this? Just go to desktop here, not the desktop, local disk C, program file, dash 3D, dash 3D Studio 4, and here we can find a plugin folder. I've already pasted it in my Dash to Unreal, so you don't need it. Okay. So after paste the deal file, we just search in our Dash Studio. If you go to file and go to send to, you can see Dash to Unreal Engine bridge will activate in our Dash, and we also check it to our Unreal Engine plugins. If you search Dash to Dash to, we have to restart our project first. In the project again, my project. Okay, now we can see our project is restarting, and here now we search plugins, search Dash Unreal. Now you can see this is our Dash to Unreal plugin is activate now. Just tick the true, and that will requirement a restart for you. Might not show. So if you need to restart, just restart the project again. Now we are install the dash to Unreal Bridge to our editor. Now just test it work or not. We are going to our desk and we are exporting this model to our Unreal Engine project. So we just selected the model Genesis 9 and go to file, send to dash to Unreal, and here we have name it like test model, and this will be skeleton mesh. For now I don't need the morph because we just test if it import or export or not. So in the next video I will detailing these things. So we are just exporting the character only. And also a things here in the advanced settings, this is a folder that will contain the exportation. So be sure change it. Okay, I make a new folder here and select the folder and select accept. We are finally done. Let's head back to our Unreal Engine. And you can see there was option, the FBX import option. We in the first time we don't need to select any skeleton reference because this is our first model to this project. To the next model, if we export another model from dash, then we can reference the old model of dash, etc. And here we are just keep the all things is default and we are just export import all. And here you can see a arrow comes up. Every time you exporting a model from dash to Unreal, you will face this arrow. You just ignore it. This is nothing else, just ignore it. And you can see that our model test model is imported. So let's see the condition of this model. You can see we are perfectly export our model by dash to Unreal Engine Bridge. And if we export the morph, here will be the all the morph. Okay, so that's pretty easy class for beginner, how to use dash to Unreal Engine. And this is so easy. You can see, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comments, like, share. Thank you very much.